What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Tanja and
Lita.
and today is Easter, you guys. So happy Easter! Today, you guys, we just woke up and we're hungry, so we're in here making some bacon for now, and we will have to probably cook it with some eggs. And did you want pancakes?
Yes.
Okay, I'll probably cook Lena some pancakes. So Lena's gonna help out in the kitchen today. So Lena, it should be up in there, the pancake mix. I think it's up there.
Oh.
Yeah, that cabinet.
It's up there. I'm too short.
You're too short. You're too short. You want hot chocolate?
Mhm.
Okay. Hot chocolate it is. All right, you guys. So I ended up getting I wouldn't say free iced coffee. But this is from McDonald's. So yesterday, y'all, we had ordered DoorDash or whatever, and I had got McDonald's. Like, I had got a sausage biscuit meal, which y'all know it comes with a hash brown, and I had added an extra hash brown. And Lena's meal, she had the big breakfast platter or whatever, and hers was supposed to come with the hash brown, I believe so. And we didn't get that. So I looked in the bag or whatever when they dropped it off, and I was looking like, yeah, I got a free drink or whatever. That's the first thing I seen. Then I started digging in the bag. I'm like, so I guess they tried to make up for what they were missing and gave me what they wanted without confirming with me first. So yeah, so I drank the other coffee yesterday, which was nasty. And then this one's actually okay. So that's my morning pick me up. Making Lena some breakfast. I'm not hungry right now, but I'm probably gonna just have like a piece of bacon. I'm probably gonna do me a BLT with eggs.
What's a BLT?
The bacon, lettuce, and tomato that you had the other day.
Oh, okay.
Without the lettuce and tomato. But I'm gonna put everything on mine or whatever, and then yeah, we're gonna get this rolling.
Y'all wanna see what I do?
All right, some good bacon.
You wanna show them what I do?
Yeah, come over.
Okay.
Lena has been in a drawing mood lately, last couple of days, and she's gonna show you guys how she's been drawing.
So first,
I think she should.
we have a little microphone right there. Then we have the cat hanging on a paper clip. Yeah. Then we have a cat wearing sunglasses. I just noticed this is all cats and stuff. Oh, yeah, that's a cat. And then this cat is drinking coffee. I just did this one. Then this is a bunny waving at y'all. And there's more coming. I'm drawing a girl.
Yeah. You did really good. Lena is a really good artiste. She does really well. And this has been going on since Lena was probably like 4. We noticed that she was a good drawer. She came in the room one day like, yeah, this is what I draw. I'm like, wow. So, she's still at it, I see. I just got this around me. It's cold downstairs. Lena loves the cold, but I'd rather not. Now I'm making the eggs. Making the eggs now because I like to cook it over my my bacon grease. Just a little bit of it. But yeah. We went to the event yesterday, y'all, but I thought that they're gonna be like dropping like eggs with stuff in them. They only had like stickers and what else they have? What else they had? Stickers and what? That's about it inside those little eggs. We thought we was gonna have some boiled eggs, some candy, something for the kids, but these people said no, no, no.
Oh yeah, Mommy, since we thought Easter was next week, can we still fill them up with candy?
Can we do what?
Still fill them up with candy.
Yeah. We'll go to the store and do that. Probably do that today before I drop you off with your dad. Lena's on spring break, so she is she's out of school for the next week.
I made a very bad flower.
A what?
Very bad flower.
Mm.
You want to see the chocolate flower?
Mm-hmm.
This all looks rough because I haven't not shaded it, but like outlined it really.
Oh. Wash my hands real quick.
I look like I haven't slept in days. This is the flower. Is that bad, Mommy?
What? It's a nice flower. See if I got some cheese in there. It'll be in the door.
I don't see any.
You don't see any.
No.
Oh no. Okay, give me the lettuce and the tomato at the bottom drawer.
Tomato
Mm-hmm.
and
Lettuce. Lettuce is in the back. Yup, we need to use this before it goes bad. The tomatoes. Thank you.
tomato. Potato.
Okay, let's see what we can do. And did you still want your fries from yesterday?
No.
From that place?
Is it just me, or whenever you're painting, like, and you have to put your hand like this to like draw the thing, you have to go like this because you don't want your hand to get like on the paint.
Mm-hmm. Sound about right. All right, let me open this bag for me. My blankie fell down. Kinda. Do. Thank you, baby doll. Oh, it's a what's name on the floor. I just dropped before. Can you get that for mommy? It's cold? Oh, yeah. Just came out of the refrigerator. Alright, there's the eggs. Scrambled. Is that right there? And this.
I like to keep fast in the face
You want tomatoes on yours, Lena?
Oh. No, it don't. Not really.
Baby. It came out clear looking though.
Yep.
Yeah.
Look good, does it?
How many pancakes?
3.
3 pancakes?
Yeah.
Dang. What time you want to meet today? Ask him what time, baby girl.
What time is it?
7 is cool.
She says 7 is good. Okay.
Ooh. Okay, you excited?
Well, bye-bye, Daddy. It won't let me hang up.
Huh?
It won't let me hang up.
It won't let you hang up?
But I think
Oh. I don't know, you gotta. It still ain't let you do it?
I just
You did it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Alright, y'all. So I got the mix going for the pancakes. Just getting all the lumps and clumps out. I'm gonna spray the pan down and let it do what it do. Talk about she wants 3, but I don't know if this is gonna be enough for 3 or not. We're gonna see. Alright, so that's how it's looking. Okay.
I know you heard that last one.
I heard the laugh. Who laughing like that?
Abby.
Abby?
She's like,
Alright, we can get 3. It's gonna be on the smaller side. That's it for the. Lynn, you still had your stuff over here from the other day. Your little thing you got from the pizza Hut.
Oh.
Guess you didn't want it. I could have ate it that day.
No. No, you haven't. I'll take it now.
It's right there. I put it up, but you want me to warm this up? Get a paper towel over there. Over there. I can put this down now.
Should I hang up since they just stopped talking?
Yes, you can. Let's say bye, y'all. All right, here you go. Hot, hot, hot. That's the icing to go with it.
Since y'all like talking by y'all. She was watching it so bad.
Mm.
Or whatever you call it.
Delicious. Put my tomatoes over here for my sandwich. Okay. All right. All right, that pancake is done. Spray it one more time. Yeah, right, baby?
Yeah.
Wait, 4. Period. Another piece of bacon. And that's it. How about me? Mine is over here. Let me show y'all. 1 second. I was like, what is that? Making that noise. This smile over here. Yummy. Now, I didn't put the lettuce in because it looked like the lettuce was going bad already. So I'll just throw this out. Clean up my mess. Ready to eat. Finish cleaning the pancakes off. And yeah. That's gonna be it. I may make a fruit ball on the side. So apple and oranges. And yeah. And the last of the grapes. The pancake look good. Looks so good. All right. that do what it do. Lena, go get me the caramel thing from upstairs.
What you gonna do to it? You
Oh,
still
I got
making a fruit bowl?
Yes.
I thought you were smart making them.
Yep.
How did you drizzle the caramel?
I was doing the video, babe.
Let me drizzle it.
Okay. That's the apples.
It's gonna go.
Right there.
You cutting it like you can't just peel it. Why are you cutting the orange?
You finna see. Okay, the pancake is done. All right. Yes, sir. Excuse me. Okay. This dishes. I like to do mine like this.
Yum.
All right. Lena gonna drizzle it on here. Let me move all the trash out. Give me a second. All right, go ahead. Ooh, all right. And that's our fruit bowl. And get the plate, Lena. Over there.
Oh.
This is Alina's plates. And yeah, breakfast is served. Cheers. Mm-hmm.
Hot.
Okay. Give you a fork and everything, baby.
Ow.
Oh, be careful. Be careful. want to do it over here? You do it right here? Okay.
Where do I put this?
In here. Good girl. What you talking about over there?
Don't tell her I did that, okay?
We got you some water to drink. All right, we're gonna move this over, you guys. You done? No, just peel it.
Yeah, but I don't have nails.
All right, move this over, baby doll.
Okay.
I'm trying to clean up over here. Then it's gonna be setting up back there. I'll wash my dishes, clean up the kitchen. All right, you got everything, Lena?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put your fruit in the refrigerator since you're not eating it right now. You want to see me wash dishes? I gotta put these up first. I'm gonna put my plate in the microwave because I'm not gonna eat right now. So yeah.
caramel with pancakes before?
Probably, yeah. They have it sometimes on the tables at the restaurant.
Is it good?
Yeah, but I prefer regular
Okay.
third.
What's the third? Oh.
Just got some aluminum foil on it last night. Oh, good, Lena? Okay. When he asked you if you had fun yesterday, what he asked you? You said how you know. What did he ask you? What did?
Nothing. He asked how I was good.
Oh, you said how you know? You said he said I seen the pictures.
Yeah.
What did he ask?
Yeah, I asked nothing. He just said he seen the pictures. I asked, how did you know? He said he seen the pictures.
How did he know what? That's what I'm trying to see. What
The
he?
East that I went to the Easter thing.
Oh, okay. inside out. All right, y'all. That's it for the cooking and cleaning for this morning. Lena says she is full. You ate everything? Let's see what all Lena ate this morning, you guys. She really played over. She ate most of the pancakes. You didn't want the bacon? Great, I can have the bacon. Okay, cool. All right, y'all. Well, until next time, we are out. Bye. Go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth. Wash your face.
Is my hair? Oh, I didn't even know that. Well, it looks good, so it doesn't matter.